The big story we're tracking right now. News just in, Google has announced investment of $10 billion in India. This is a significant move in the middle of the pandemic, which speaks of India's openness and attractiveness as an investment destination. According to Google, this investment will help realize Prime Minister Modi's vision of digital India. Earlier today, Prime Minister Modi and Sundar Pichai had a video conferencing where they discussed various issues. This is the big story that we're tracking at the moment. $10 billion, roughly close to about 75,000 crore rupees. This investment from Google is going to happen in India over the next 5 to 7 years to come. And this is the Google for India Digitization Fund that we're talking about. And this is a big story that is coming in at the moment. Let's first go straight across to Rajiv Dubey, who's joining us on live on this story. Rajiv, how do you view this particular development? They will be leveraging artificial intelligence. A lot seems to be on the agenda with this kind of money. Is an incubator too on the cards? $1 billion is close to 75,000 crore rupees. And how will this impact India's macroeconomic situation as well?
So, Chaiti, this is going to happen over a 5 to 7 year period, so it's not going to be absolutely immediately, but it reaffirms India's status as a digital, digital nation, which is progressing very rapidly towards digitization. And the very fact that this is going to be a fund, 75,000 crore, $10 billion, is going to be invested in equity partnerships, in other kinds of tie-ups in the digital infrastructure within the country. There's going to be operational infrastructure and such initiatives within the country. And this is a fund that Google will set up. It's quite possible that others may want to join to become part of this fund, and this fund is going to invest in companies in India which are going to be investing in digital infrastructure. So that is what it appears to be. If you look at what happened during the con call between Sundar Pichai and the Prime Minister today, the Prime Minister was very keen about AI in agriculture and about use of technology in education, two primary preoccupations as far as the government of India is concerned, which comes through repeatedly in whatever the Prime Minister is doing or what the government of India is doing. Education and agriculture and healthcare. These are the three areas which the government is focusing very rapidly and in a very focused manner. And you can see that much of this investment may actually come into areas like these, which are really the needs of the nation right now.
Absolutely. Stay with us right there. Rahul Srivastav is also joining us on the story. Rahul, how are you viewing this particular development? In fact, Sundar Pichai has also taken to Twitter, thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Ramesh Pokhriyal as well. This is a huge development like Rajiv was talking about as well. Over the next 5 to 7 year period, if you have 75,000 crore rupees infused in the Indian economy, especially for technology, when it comes to education, healthcare and artificial intelligence as well, it can be a game changer for India, positioning India as a digital economy. Rahul.
Chaiti, the real element is at a time across the globe when investments have become premium, where nations are scrambling to make showcase themselves better vis-a-vis the pandemic and for the future. Any investment of this caliber and of a company of the caliber of Google is definitely a major win for India. Remember, at this time, what India is looking for is that in the changed geopolitics, with China perhaps losing its sheen a bit, India wants to become a better destination for investment. Now, investment for destination also is a word of mouth kind of an element that once companies like Google and others start investing in one country, that investment acts as a magnet. And that magnet not only will spur more investments into India, but also remember a lot of multinationals and companies like Apple and others are looking for bases beyond China now. There is a possibility that Apple could be thinking of investing out of China. And that's where the real catch lies. An entry of a company like Google investing such a large amount over a certain period of time definitely will act as an incentive. And I think that perhaps is a striking point at a time when there is a migration of businesses and investment happening out of China. Can this become perhaps one of the gags which may make India more attractive to investors and people who are running establishments in places like China.
Absolutely. And you mentioned China as well. Let's bring in Javed Anwar, Senior Associate Editor as well. Javed, how are you viewing this particular development? Rahul was just mentioning about how at this point of time China's position has weakened geopolitically as well. And when then Sundar Pichai comes and announces a development like this of $10 billion into India as well over the next few years to come, does this look and to the world, is the messaging clear that India is now going to be leveraging the power of technology when it comes to healthcare, when it comes to infrastructure, when it comes to artificial intelligence as well, somewhere again becoming a humongous back office of the world as well?
Yeah, I think what this investment shows is that India is very, very important for technology companies. And the reason for that is very simple. We have a huge number of people who are digitally connected. There are hundreds of millions of smartphone users. Internet connectivity has improved. So obviously technology companies want to be here because they want to serve the needs of all these users. And that is what Google is probably trying to do. And we also need to see that for Google, it's also a very competitive move because just months ago, Facebook invested nearly $9 billion in India through their partnership with Jio. So for Google also, they had to do something if they want to kind of serve the needs of consumers here. And there is another important thing here, and that is what Google has done in the last couple of years. They have seen that when they are making things for India, they are making like really good products. Google Pay, they created for India, and now they are trying to push it to other countries, including to the US. So similarly, they want to focus more on regional languages here. They
Absolutely, Javed.
Yes,
Javed, thanks very much. Rahul, thanks very much for joining us as well. Rajiv, thanks very much. But Rahul, continue to stay with us. We're getting a political news break that is just coming.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.